Hi, Susie Valentine here with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're looking at beautiful KB homes in the Citrus Glen community of Loma Linda, California. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with loft or optional 5th bedroom upgrade. There will be a total of 95 homes built at Citrus Glen community in Loma Linda, California, and will feature lot sizes ranging from 7,200 to 19,000 square feet. Today we are viewing a 2-story model home by KB Homes. It measures approximately 2,438 square feet with an open floor plan and added builder upgrades. The living room features high ceilings, recessed lighting, and views to the backyard. The kitchen has granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, such as microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. It also comes equipped with a USB receptacle built right into the wall for a convenient and easy way to charge your devices. It also has a center island, which is excellent when you just want a quick bite to eat. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The laundry room is tucked away in the corner and has washer-dryer hookups. The dining area is conveniently situated between the kitchen and the backyard, which would be perfect for entertaining guests for parties and barbecues. This new home is truly an entertainer's delight. There is a whole house recessed fire sprinkler system as well. The master bedroom suite has high ceilings, lots of windows, and an attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom has a soaking tub and shower, a large walk-in closet, and a private toilet area and dual sinks. The home also includes green features, such as double pane, low E glass windows, water-saving plumbing fixtures, and a tankless water heater. In the hallway, you will find linen closets and direct access to the 2-car garage. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. The second bedroom has carpet, a window, and a closet. The guest bathroom has dual sinks and a private water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom has windows with a view of the front yard, carpet, and a closet. Now, please join me as we tour the upstairs. The upstairs features a very large loft area, which could have been an optional 5th bedroom builder upgrade. Upstairs has a full bathroom with sink, a private water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub, as well as a linen closet. The 4th bedroom is large and features recessed lighting, windows, and a walk-in closet. This home also has central heating and air conditioning with a digital programmable thermostat. If you're interested in buying a home in Loma Linda, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.